Okay, so I'm here at Morant's Curve, Banff National Park, using my Sony a7R III 16 and 35 lens. First time vlogging style, handheld here. So at Morant's Curve, as you can see, it's snowing, it's overcast. Now what I'm really hoping for is this clearing sky kind of moves over Lake Louise and the mountains there. Then sunset in about half hour. Hopefully then things light up. And hopefully a train comes by. Now when I arrived here today, there was a train that was just passing by, so I set up a quick time lapse, so hopefully that turned out. But I now have a vertical composition set up, or I will have set up once I put the camera back on the tripod. So that's all set up. You can see right there, got that set up there. Then my other plan would be a time lapse of sunset and see how that turns out as well. That's assuming we get the light. So stay tuned. When I was here yesterday, it was about 12 o'clock. Put the exact time up there now. Now, shooting during midday is usually not the best of light, but we got extremely lucky. It was the most beautiful of soft light, and that's because even though the mountains were clear, well, there's some clouds and whatnot, the sun was over here and it went behind a big bank of clouds. So at least this area was nice and soft light, including on the mountains. So let me show you some of those shots right now. Now when you come to Morant's Curve, the trick is you want to get the curve. You can see train tracks come through here, curve there, but beyond that group of trees, there's another bend and the train goes that way. So that is the goal, or the general goal. And if you have a wide enough angle lens, you can get those mountains in the background in the frame as well. Unfortunately right now it's overcast and snowing, so they're not too clear, but you get the idea. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I've set up here a vertical composition. I'm waiting for another train to come by. But more importantly, I'm kind of waiting for sunset. It's about 4:40. Sunsets in another half hour or so, depending on the light. Now you just notice that over Lake Louise, we're around Morant's Curve, it's all socked in, but if I kind of point this way, you can kind of see some blue sky, which I'm not sure if it's just stationary, if it's going to move over the mountains, but I'm just going to sit here and wait. This is my plan for the night. It's all about patience. It's all about being here for the shot, and hopefully it works out. And just go nice and slow and relax and see what happens. Time goes by. Now, sadly, the weather did not clear and the weather remains socked in. So I hope you enjoy some of the photos that I took the previous day at Castle Mountain, as well as here at Morant's Curve. I did end up spending my time there until the sun officially set, chatting with another photographer while we waited for a train that never did come. So I really hope you enjoyed today's short little video of Morant's Curve. It's a place I highly recommend you visit, and hopefully you catch the train. I would like to thank you very much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell at the bottom. And until next time.